Hi friends, this is Muhammad Jibran and welcome to our C# tutorials. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the operators. So till now we have seen the addition operators. Okay, so and this was one, and the next operator which we have seen is the equality operator, and the next one was the assignment operator. So till now we have seen just only 3 operators, but there are many more operators in the C# language. So let's start learning about them one by one. First of all, let me declare some variables like a, b and c. Okay, and let me assign a value as 10, b's value as 5. Okay, now c will be as this. I'm not going to assign the value for c. So suppose if I want to get the sum of a and b values, so what I can do is I can just simply write a plus b. Okay, so this is what will give me the sum of a and b. First of all, my C# compiler will get the sum of these two variables, and it will store that in my variable c, and it will display me that if I just write the right line statement of it. And suppose if I wanted to get the subtraction of it, I will simply write a minus b. That's above the addition key. And suppose if I wanted to get the multiplication, I will just type a asterisk b. This will give me the multiplication of a and b. If I wanted to get the division of a and b, I will simply write c equals a by b. So this were the arithmetic operators for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and there are many more, like suppose if you are using the if condition, where you say if a is greater than b, then you should do something. Okay, you know the syntax, what is that? And this greater than sign states that if the value stored in variable a is greater than b, then you should go and execute the code in this block, else just come out of this block. Okay, and again there is one more operator, the less than operator. If a is less than b, which has the same application but the vice versa than the greater than, as you all know. Okay, so it says if a is less than b, go do the code inside this if block or just come out of it. And then one more we have seen is if a is equal to b, then do this stuff or else come out. So if the value stored in variable a is equal to the value stored in variable b, then sorry, it will do this stuff or else it will just come out of it. After that we have one more, which is if a is equal to b double and b is equal to c. So what is it? It's a new operator. If you type double and sign, it says if this condition is true, check this condition also. If both of these conditions are true, if a is equal to b and b is equal to c, then only the code inside this block will be getting executed, else just come out of the block. So this whenever you want to check two conditions at the same time, you can do this stuff. You can check the both conditions, or you can add a number of conditions if you want the as many conditions as you have. The next one will be the OR operator, where it says if a is equal to b, it's it's the key above your enter key, just two straight lines, and b is equal to c. It says if a is equal to b or b is equal to c. If either of them is true, then go into this if block and execute whatever is written over there. So it is opposite of the AND operator, where it checks for both of the conditions to be true. Here, if either one of them is true, it will get executed. You can add many conditions as you want, like again you can check if a is equal to c, it will work, no problem. You can add n number of conditions over here, same over here you can add but over here, as you will know, both of the conditions should be true, and here only if one condition is true, the code inside will be getting executed. So, and this one, the assignment operator, we have seen it from the beginning. We are assigning the value of a and b to the c. Okay, that I hope you know from the beginning. So that was it about the operators in a nutshell. Hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.